Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on ANKR.
Welcome to the Real Crypto Space, and I'm your co-host Hamza. And we're also today going to about why ANKR is a great investment as of now.
And before we get into the video, may I remind you, please comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also we have an Instagram, so that will be in the comments and the description as well. So please go follow that. And yeah, thank you.
This video is not financial advice. However, these investments, in our opinion, are going to be doing very well within this bull cycle. So only invest what you're willing to invest, and we're all investing for the long run. This isn't a short-term target. So that's what I want to let you guys know. This is not financial advice at all.
So ANKR right now is 16 cents. It might be higher, it might be lower whilst you're watching this video. If it's lower, maybe it'll be a good time to buy. Not financial advice. So as you can see, ANKR has a max supply of 10 billion. And currently they're only about 70% of their supply is in circulation right now. I believe there is 50% gains to be made on this coin short term. In long term, yeah, of course there'll be a lot more, but short term I'm talking about right now, ANKR definitely has a 50% short term. I believe it can definitely go up another 8 cents. We can compare ANKR and Chili's together because they both have a very similar max supply, and they have a similar percentage for their circulating supply. It can really do more than 50 cents definitely, but not long term. Definitely you'd be waiting a while, but I do believe it can reach 50 cents. So the best place to buy ANKR would be Binance, as rated on Coinmarketcap, or Coinbase or KuCoin. We have a video, a tutorial on how to use Binance and a tutorial on how to use KuCoin. So go check our channel out for that. It's in our Crypto for Beginners playlist. So yeah, that could be useful for you too.
The reason why I think ANKR is going to be a very good investment in the long term is that on the website they say the next phase of the internet is based on distributed networks, which makes the new generation of platforms, applications and services more private, secure, reliable and censorship resistant. So this is what we want to try to get into. We want to try to get into decentralized platforms, and many platforms such as Orion protocol we went through do this as well, but Orion protocol will be its own liquidation market. But for ANKR, they're saying Web3 will revolutionize the internet as we know and use it. So this is going to be something that we are going to be looking forward to. The same thing that Orion protocol is using their own marketplace, ANKR protocol is also used doing the same thing, and it allows easy access to an array of blockchains and provides users with the ability to deploy staking nodes as well as developer nodes in minutes. In 2020, they've integrated over 50 plus protocols on the ANKR platform. They've also introduced ANKR Enterprise Services, created custom nodes UI for easy development, deployment and management, and also launched blockchain API services. So they've had a great long run, a great roadmap back in 2020, and now 2021 is looking even better. So first of all, they're going to introduce and roll out of STKR protocol, and this will also be launched on the Ethereum 2.0 node service. So as Ethereum 2.0 potentially next year up to 2024, as that gets big, this will also get big with it. So integration of new major blockchain protocols as well, and they're also going to be further improving of the security measures. So this is something great that they're doing.
So the very interesting thing about ANKR is that you can run your own staking nodes, so you can easily deploy and manage a node on your favorite blockchain and earn staking rewards without any technical knowledge required. So all you need to do is create an account and press launch now, and it will talk you through how you can go and do that. So you have a one-click deployment with your node, so you launch a node on your favorite blockchain in minutes, automated monitoring and upgrades, no coding skills are required. So anyone can do it. It's literally instant access for anyone. It is non-custodial, so you keep your funds in your own wallet and always be in charge of your own assets. We don't store any private keys, so that's a nice way of saying it is your responsibility. If you lose your money, it is your fault, basically. So you have maximal rewards, earn passive income from your token holdings and delegations without paying any commission fees. So if you're a developer or a staker, this is very useful for you. So these are all the nodes that ANKR has to offer, and it tells you here, down when I click on it, it goes away, but as you can see it says staking there. So this is for a staker, this is for a developer or a staker, so it just tells you down there, and it tells you how much a month it is as well. So obviously you have your API market as well, so you have your Ethereum, your Binance, your Polkadot, your Kusama, and your Ethereum 2.0. So what the developer APIs are, so you have the DApp development, so instantly deploys decentralized applications by connecting to our one-click API services, which is what I just showed you. So you have your platform integrations, which interact with a suite of Ethereum smart contracts to enable direct integration with cryptocurrency, money markets, and more. So data analytics, gain insights into user behavior and the impact on a network level by accessing on-chain data. And as Hamza said, it is built on the Web3, which is the same as Orion protocol.
This is still for the developer API, and it's going to be put on the Binance chain, which is always a good sign, and the Ethereum chain, the Polkadot chain, and as we know, Kusama is the Polkadot testnet. So once it gets put on there, I can definitely see this coin get a lot of attention from the media. So it is something that is very interesting to look into. If you're a developer and you're looking into why ANKR is something that is really good to get into, it doesn't just save time, it gives you early access to many projects and access to chain data and connects to new protocols during testnet and beta phase. It will also save you money from the nodes that you set yourself. So as the nodes stay the same price, you're gaining rewards on them. And as they increase in price, the higher your rewards will be. So it's a win-win for everyone, basically.
So with ANKR, staking is simplified. So ANKR provides decentralized staking services for Ethereum 2.0. ANKR's Ethereum 2.0 staking protocol and platform combines staking and decentralized, implementing elements from traditional staking with non-custodial management, micropools, instant liquidity, and decentralized governance. So right now there's been 45,354 staked Ethereum with ANKR, and there is 2,341 stakers using ANKR right now. So why stake with ANKR? So you can use a micropool, so staking as little as 0.5 Ethereum and pool with other stakers which enjoy the same return on investment. So you have a staking manager, so you send all of your Ethereum in one transaction, and one protocol will automatically allocate your funds to the best pools. So it does it all for you, which I haven't really seen before. So you have staking liquidity as well, so with the Ethereum, you can hold or trade your staked assets at any time without having to wait until transactions are enabled on Ethereum 2.0. And obviously security, so your funds are under your own control, so it's your own fault if you mess up when you lose your funds, basically.
This coin is still valued at 1.3 billion market cap, and that is still a very, very small, especially with the supply that is still yet to be produced and the project that they're potentially going to be given out to the public. And in my opinion, I can give this a solid 9 out of 10. This project, in my opinion, can definitely be part of the top 20s within this year. And currently it's around 83, so it's still got a long way to go, and it's got a very, very good roadmap to it. So definitely a 9 out of 10 for this project. It's definitely got something to be looking forward to.
So that is all we have for today. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have, once again, please go down below and press that like button, and subscribe while you're down there as well, and go follow our Instagram. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and have a good rest of your day.